Welcome back to Buy to Build. This week, we're having an amazing day in Sydney with our house hunters, Zach and April, who are looking to move from the Central Coast into the Big Smoke and set up your life together. Yes. How's your house hunting day gone so far?
It's been good. We've seen some great homes so far.
We've had some fun.
Yeah, it's been fun. And we're pumped, ready for house number 3, which is this one. It's from Clarendon Homes. It's called the Stamford. Actually, this is 6 bedrooms, but you can build a smaller version. It's quite opulent. It's quite glamorous and chic, much like yourself. Yeah. Should we go check it out?
Let's do it.
Welcome, guys.
Wow. Oh my days.
It's a lot, isn't it?
It's a lot to take in.
Yes, it's stunning.
I mean, what's jumping out to you guys straight away?
The size.
The whole setup, the open living, the staircase.
That kitchen is special.
Yeah.
Very special.
Yeah, it's a beautiful house. This is an opulent version of this house with all the bells and whistles, but it's really about working out if you like the layout of this space, the big void for up here, and whether you could step up it, your game a bit and have a house that is, you know, show home. I really like this kitchen, and I like the colours and the modern little flick that it's given.
It's exciting. I kind of feel excited being in here. It's got this really playful feeling. Yeah, that's what I'm getting from it.
Are you overwhelmed?
A little bit. I am a little bit. It's almost too much to take in.
Wow.
The big void. I think it just gives you a sense of like space.
Yes.
Yeah.
And serenity. And
definitely.
It feels like you've really made it.
It's grand,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yeah. Like an entrance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Imagine what your parents might think when you walk them in here for the first time.
I know, they would love it as well.
Yeah.
It's got wow factor.
So your breakout space at the top of the stairs,
Yes.
again, super multifunctional, but how's the colours?
This is beautiful.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice vibe, isn't it?
Isn't it? It really is.
It really is. And then you've got your main bedroom and all the bedrooms fitting into here. It's just such a homely space in what is actually quite a large house.
Yes, yes.
So how do you feel about this for a main bedroom?
This is very luxe.
It's grand.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
It's a real lifestyle house. So as big as it is and as grand as it is, I mean, you could tone down the opulence in terms of the dressing and make it coastal if you wanted. You could do all sorts of different things, but it's just got such a retreat vibe up here. You've got your own quarters.
Yes.
Imagine melting into this bed and this layout with a TV on the wall,
nice.
Yeah.
rainy winter's day.
Yeah, I
Are
can
you
picture
feeling
it.
it?
I am,
Yeah.
definitely.
Can you guys actually imagine this was your house?
This is an entertainer's dream. I could,
I can imagine it.
You can't imagine it. And interestingly, they've got a granny flat here. So this again is designed for super big families. So you have a whole generation of families living here. It's a 2-bedroom granny flat. That's their Sylvania.
Yep.
And Clarendon just have this magic that they bring together to create a home for an entire family. And no one misses out on these builds. Everyone's got their own little place.
Yep.
I mean, can you actually imagine living here? It is so beautiful, and Clarendon just do this so effortlessly. They just create a place where you can bring an entire family together in a large house and still have your own individual areas and your own individual rooms that you can call yours. It's an epic house, and remembering you can build a smaller version of it as well. Just jump on their website and have a look at this design. It is the Stamford, and you'll find it at clarendonhomes.com.au. Now after the break, it's time to see which house they're going to buy to build.